Hi, this is day 13 of 90 days challenge of English speaking practice. Today's topic is that ethical hacking. Why is important in this era? Why is very important in this era? So I want to tell you ethical hacking. That's we call us cybersecurity. So many things. Just choose one domain. First of all, specific. If you want to learn ethical hacking, then you have to further choose a specific any domain. One domain. So many domains are given in cyber in ethical hacking. Then you have to choose one domain. Then start the specialization in that. So you can export, then you have to become a unbeatable ethical hacker in the field, in the hacking field. I am talking about why is a most important ethical hacker nowadays, because you already knows today era AI is right now booming. So most of cases AI is booming. So many AI tools, AI scamming tools are coming, and so many scammer they scammed uh, they scammed from people with their AI advanced techniques etc. Then the question arises, how to stop the AI misuse. So many scammer misuse of AI. How to stop? Then to stop the scammer, come to ethical hacker, cybersecurity. Cybersecurity ethical hacker, one stop solution to stop the scammer to scam. One stop solution. That is main reason is that this is importance of learning nowadays ethical hacker. I want to tell you so many things. Everyone to know their how to protect from the hackers in nowadays. Everybody knows how to protect from the scammer. Everybody knows. So I want to become a ethical hacker to protect all of people. How to escape ethical hacker, how to escape scammer, so many things. So that's why I am to become ethical hacker. That's you already knows. I am interested in so many fields like videos making, tech AI tips and tricks, uh, any insta page can grow easily. I can grow easily in insta page. So I want to become ethical hacker in specialization in this era. One skill, if you are depending, that's a waste of time. If you're not if you can't capable, if you're depending one skill in this era, you can't capable, you can't survive in this era. Survival is very difficult for us if you are depending one skill, because so many multiple AI tools are came, and so many AI are getting people job, like repeated job. So many companies, you news, so many news nowadays are coming. So many companies fire their employee from the AI. where 10 people to work one work, then one AI to work one work, then why companies are hire 10 people instead of one? Obviously company hire one AI person, one AI expert person instead of hiring 10 peoples. I don't understand what I'm saying. This is importance. This is why you can't depend on one skill. We have to learn multiple skill to survive. And I wanna tell you one more things. In this era, if you are learn multiple skill, then nowadays how changing the world, then you have to learn new skill. You have to learn new skill. You have to learn new skill. You have to capable how to learn a new skill in very fast. In this era, who would be survive? Who can learn fast and execute fast? Execute fast. Execute fast. They only can survive in this era. So I am telling you, we have do not depend in one skill. We have to not depend on one skill. We have to learn multiple skill, multiple income of sources. We generate multiple income of sources, so we can survive easily. If you are not multiple income of sources, then you have to not survive. So this is important. This is important. I am telling you. If you are not capable, then you have to. That's era is gone, completely gone. That's era. That's era completely gone. Where is you can take a degree from the college, then you get a job, then you will get a job. That's era gone, mitro. That's era gone. That's era gone, my brother. That's era gone. You have to learn multiple skill. The first important things is that you have to learn how to learn a new skill. You have to master how to learn a new skill fastly, how to adopt a new skill, how to adopt in any situation, any kind of situation. Because how changing this world, then you have to learn very fast and apply very fast. If you are not learning very fast, learn very fast, then you become to very backward. There is no chances. There is no any chances. There is no one can save you. You have to only one. There is no one can save you. There is no anyone to come save you. You have to only one. Expect you. Expect me. There is no one. No one. No one. There is no one coming to save you. So I wanna tell you, learn a skill, earn more money, and build more income of sources, and investing money. Learn how to invest money. Then if you become multiple, if you made multiple income of sources, then you have to already money, then you have to invest. When money and investment, that's create wealth. Money and investment create wealth. That line you remembered, you marked, you will be to marked. That line is very important. So my goal is that so many things, like earning 50k per month, and one bike, and After 4 year, after completing BTech, I have to four-wheeler and SIP 10k per month. Doing SIP 10k per month is the true. Is doing. I am executing these things. I am completing my goals. I am living my dreams. I am enjoying my this suffer. I am enjoying this suffer. This is not a struggle. This is my suffer. This is my journey. This is not a struggle. So many motivator, motivational speaker, yeah, so many peoples are telling life is full of struggle, but I saying life is a journey. But just enjoy. Life is journey. Just enjoy. That's it, guys. Meet you tomorrow.